What do you think of that, Marley? That's pretty good. Did you like that?
Oh, nice, bud. What's up with you not opening your mouth, kid? I'm just gonna let that go. Let's try one more bite.
Lump on his belly. What do you think? It's a pretty color anyway. Marley, you open your mouth nice and wide. Yes. All those months of screaming has prepared you.
See the big mouth. Loud mouth. You want some more? You have to open your mouth.